Do you have an error preventing the Packager Library DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before starting the detailed Packager library fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Packager Library, the Object Packager Library, a legacy unmanaged module that manages the localized embedding and localized linking of localized objects, OLE, within localized documents and localized shell manifests. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. Packager is a system-critical file that Windows manages internally. To repair it, run the sfc/scan now command from an elevated command prompt, which will scan for and replace any corrupted OS-level components. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Packager Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since the restart failed to map the file path, we're going to manually point Windows to this specific database tool. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, manual registration is required to link the file to the Windows registry hive. Without this pointer, the application cannot bridge the connection to the library. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. A quick safety warning: never download files like Packager Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review repair-related information for Packager Library by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Packager Library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.